The Japanese work visa only costs 9,100 naira, and Japanese companies provide various benefits to their employees, such as social insurance, housing benefits, and transportation allowances. Recently, numerous companies have installed unique welfare programs for both Japanese and foreign workers. As a Nigerian, you can be a part of this opportunity by relocating to Japan to work with a visa fee of 9,100 naira. In this video, you will discover how to obtain this visa, covering aspects like finding a job in Japan, required documents for the visa application, the procedures involved, and the processing time, including how CareerEdu can assist you in relocating to Japan. Welcome to CareerEdu. Today we will discuss how to relocate to Japan to work. To begin, you need a job offer and a certificate of eligibility to get started with the visa application for less than 10,000 naira. Here are 5 websites that will help you search and apply for a job in Japan. First, daijob.com. Daijob is a valuable resource for those seeking employment in Japan. It specializes in bilingual and international job listings. Second, Gegenpot. This website features various job listings, information on living in Japan, and community forums. The website link is jobs.gagenpot.com. Third, careercross.com. This is the #1 platform that caters to both Japanese and non-Japanese job seekers. Fourth, Japan Times. They are a major job change agent with the largest number of job changes and number of locations nationwide. They have approximately 100,000 job openings. The link to their website is jobs.japantimes.com. Fifth, Robert Walters. It is a global recruitment firm with a presence in Japan, offering a range of job opportunities across various industries. The link to access their website is robertwalters.co.jp. After you have gotten the job offer, your employer will then apply for your certificate of eligibility, which is part of the major document to use for your work visa application. Aside this document, you must provide the following during your visa application. First, valid passport and a copy of passport data page. Your passport must have at least one blank page and must be with sufficient validity until the end of the intended period of stay in Japan. Second, visa application form. This form is attached to this video description as a link. Only the original is required. You must fill out every field of visa application form accurately and completely. If item is not applicable, fill in non-applicable. You must also sign by yourself on the second page of the visa application form, and the signature must correspond with the signature on the passport. Scanned signature is not acceptable. Third, original passport photo on 45mm by 35mm with white background taken within 6 months. The photo has to be glued to the space provided on the visa application form. Do not use stapler. Fourth, flight reservation slip. The photocopy is acceptable and you don't need to purchase any flight ticket. Fifth, the certificate of eligibility. Both photocopy and a copy of electronic certificate of eligibility is acceptable. After you have all your documents ready, it's time to book your appointment in Abuja via email. But before we explore how this works, it has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to please subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. The visa application is not an online application. All visa applications must be submitted in person by the applicant at the Embassy of Japan in Abuja. The location is at number 9 Bobo Street, off Ghana Street, Maitama, Abuja. The appointment scheduling is done via email only. Send an email with English only, with these 6 information to this email address: visanigeria@la.mofa.go.jp. For a minor visa applicant, a proxy person, including parents, can send email to them. You must write the information we are about to list in the body of the email, not in the subject of the email. 1. Visa applicant's name. But when a proxy person contacts them, for a minor visa applicant, the name of the proxy person and relationship to the visa applicant should be provided. 2. Purpose of your visit to Japan. In this case, use visa application with a certificate of eligibility. Then write the status, stated on your certificate of eligibility, its date of issuance and your date of birth, if you are a minor. 3. Intended length of stay in Japan. 4. Intended date of departure from Nigeria. 5. Possible dates and time slots for visa application appointment. You must provide at least 3 possible dates and times. Alternatively, you may write any time on date, but you may specify 3 days, so as for them to be able to pick time slot for you. The dates can be Monday to Friday, except embassy's closure days. The timing you can select are 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m., or 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., or 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m., or 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., or 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., or 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 6. Visa applicant's phone number. But when a proxy person contact them for a minor visa applicant, proxy person's phone number should be provided. Note that you can only send attachments only when requested. They respond to email concerning visa application within 5 working days, and you should not send the same email multiple times. Also, your appointment has not yet been fixed until you receive an email for confirmation from them. To cancel or reschedule your appointment, or when you cannot come in time for your appointment time, you must contact them via email or phone in advance via this number. +2 3 4 96 000 9019 or +2 3 4 6 000 9099. After booking your appointment, please be at the embassy before the appointment time with all the requirement for the visa application. The visa processing time is a minimum of 5 days from the date all submitted documents are verified to be in order. Please note that it is not 5 days from the date the documents are received at the counter. Also, as regards the visa fee, only cash is accepted. Please have the exact amount ready. Visa fees will be required for pickup time only. If the visa is not issued, no fees are required. But if issued, you only need to pay 9,100 naira. As usual, how can CareerEdu assist you in this pathway? With our expertise, we can guide you if you need assistance with the visa application and job application. Interested individuals should please fill the form in the description below to get started. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friends and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. Please share this video.